You want to know how Marc Andreesen from Andreessen Horowitz uses AI and what we can learn from it? Let's dive in. Welcome to day 40 of the Founder Memo, where I share insights, hacks, and ideas for founders and investors like you. Thank you for following along. Make sure to follow me to keep following along, and make sure to check my newsletter. It comes out every Sunday. So you can go to, I think it's the A16Z podcast everywhere online, and check out the recent podcast episode that they did where they talk about how Marc Andreesen uses AI specifically. So it's interesting that Marc Andreesen talks about this a lot on how he uses AI. And one thing that he always talks about in his different interviews, podcasts, blog posts, and different things that I've read from him on Twitter, etc., is that he is always sort of challenging the AI back to actually get guidance on what to do. Is like, hey, this is what I want to do. How would you approach it? Like, how do you think I should use you as an AI to be able to solve this specific problem that I have in front of me? The thing is that with AI, most people I observe in general, they use the LLM for two things. Number one, they use it as a search engine. So they replace Google or other tools they could use. And they replace Google with ChatGPT, and they use ChatGPT to look for things either on a regular basis or maybe just doing some kind of like deep research to find a specific insight about something online. Number two is like they upload files and get information from the files. Maybe they get to create a project and upload a knowledge base to the project and chat with the project. Those are kind of like the two main use cases that most average users are giving to AI. And what I find interesting about Andreessen is that he's always insisting on this idea of like, ask questions to the AI, not about things you're looking for, but about problems you're trying to solve through AI. But before diving into the problems, ask the AI, how is it that you have to use the AI itself to work around those problems? What's the action plan that the AI itself can recommend? And just keep asking questions, keep challenging the AI back and forth with answers and questions so that the AI itself is the one that is actually guiding you towards creating an actual, like a real outcome and trying to solve a problem you are specifically looking forward to solving. Full recommendation, just go check out the full podcast interview they did in the A16C podcast on how he uses AI. Marc sounds like a very smart guy. He's able to reference an insane amount of data in his brain, and it's cool to listen to someone like him with his age and his background and experience addressing how he's using LLMs on a day-to-day basis. This was today's Founder Memo. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's one.